I just flew in from Miami.
This camp is so fine. Basically, the first 2 days of week 1 were filled with smiles. Everybody was glad to have made it to camp at last. Not until our joys were cut short by the news of some fatal accident. 4 crew members, prospective at the time, who were involved, died at the spot. We had several other cases of road accidents involving crew members that weren't even carried by the media. At the time, everyone in camp was literally tense. The news weighed us down. It took us the rest of the week to snap out of it. I am live at ADAMAWA camp.
And the first position where the flag is there.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Straight, never stop, never change. Got the squad here to play and I've got something to say. Push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Oh my god. Yes, mom. Yes. Mama. I love
Medal. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Excellency, at this point, we would indulge your credence to kindly remain on the saluting dice.
Mommy Messi.
This is clever.
I just asked you, man.
Yes. You're going to show me the highest Londoner.
Bye bye. Leaving at ADAMAWA. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.